This video is one of a series covering the released Ohio State math questions between 2017 and 2023. Welcome to Dr. Tarazi's math site. Geometry is an important domain. 10 to 11 questions out of 48 are on the test. Draw, construct, and describe geometrical figures, and describe the relationships between them. Standard 7.G.2. Please pause the video and read the description of this standard.
Hello and welcome. Here is what you need to know before we get to the examples.
The triangle inequality theorem.
The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the measure of the third side. This also can be said in the following way. Any side of a triangle is less than the sum of the other two sides, and I like it in this format. Any side of a triangle is less than the sum of the other two sides, because this means that straight line is the shortest distance between 2 points. Okay, so for instance, if you have this triangle, obviously if you want to go from this point to this point, z is shorter than x plus y. So x is, if you want to go from here to here, that's x. X is shorter than y plus z. Y is shorter than x, z plus x, y. And z is shorter than x plus y. Z is shorter than x plus y. Can 4, 5, 7 be the sides of a triangle? You need to check that out. Ask yourself, is 4 less than 5 plus 7? Yes. Is 5 less than 4 plus 7? Yes. Is 7 less than 4 plus 5? Yes. Therefore, the answer is yes, 4, 5, 7 can be the sides of a triangle. Can 3, 4, 9 be the sides of a triangle? Let's check that out. Is 3 less than 4 plus 9? Yes. Is 4 less than 3 plus 9? Yes. Is 9 less than 3 plus 4? No. Therefore, 3, 4, 9 cannot be sides of a triangle. To understand this, if I draw 9 here, that's this one here, and that's a 3 here, and that's 4 here, and I try to join these two here, line, you can't join them. See, that's short. You can't join them.
Hint.
Given the lengths of two sides of a triangle, find a possible length of the third side. Obviously, there will be a whole bunch of answers, an infinite number of answers, of correct answers to a question like this. To find the third side, you can choose the largest of the two given sides. That's a very simple, straightforward way to answer a question like that. For example, if 4 and 5 are given are sides of a triangle, the third one, pick up 9. Pick up 9. Yeah, you will be good. So 4, 9, 9 would work for you. If you want to find all the possible answers, x should be between the sum of these two numbers, 13, and greater than the difference of these two numbers, which is 5. So any number between 5 and 13 would do the work. For instance, 6, 7, etc.
Recommendation.
To make the most of these videos, I suggest pausing the video when you see this button, solving the problem, and then resuming the video to check your answer.
Example 1.
The length of two sides of a triangle are 4 and 7. 4 and 7. What is a possible? A possible length means there will be more than one correct answer. Remember the rule. The third side that you choose must be such that any side of the triangle must be less than the sum of the other two sides. With the hint I just gave you earlier, the easiest answer to this question is just pick up 7. Okay, so you have 4, 7, and 7. Okay, an easy choice is 7. Now, obviously, 4 less than 7 plus 7, and 7 less than 4 plus 7. If you want all the answers, it should be x between, what is the sum of these two? 11. What's the difference of these two? 3. Any number between 3 and 11 would work for you.
Example 2.
A triangle has two equal side lengths and a third side that is shorter than the other two lengths. Use the connect line tool to create a possible triangle. A possible triangle means there will be more than one good answer. So here's an answer here. Actually, any isosceles triangle where the third side is shorter than the other two sides would do the work. So if you want another one like that, here's one. As long as you have these two like that, these two like that. Now on this
Example
standard,
3.
on this standard, only 2 questions were released, not that many of them on the test. So in this one is a practice test. A triangle has a side length of 3/4 of an inch, a side length of 3 inches. What could be means more than one possible answer. The side of the third side, the length of the third side. So again, for questions like that, I like to turn 3/4 into 0.75. If you have 1/2, you can always turn it into 0.5. If you have 1/4, you can always turn it into 0.25. So again, any side of the triangle must be less than the sum of the other two sides. With the hint I gave you, take 3 as your choice. So you will have 0.75, 3, and 3. And that would answer the question. If you want to find all the possible answers, x between, you add these two together, that's 3.75. You subtract them, 2.25.
Thank you, and see you soon.
Thank you for watching. More videos to come. Please subscribe.